New Moon Energy Activation. Recalibrate to a new timeline and deep soul replenishment. Hello, beautiful soul, and happy new moon. This is a new moon guided meditation and energy activation where we will gently align with the powerful frequency of this lunar portal and receive exactly what your body, mind, and soul most need at this time. This is a sacred space to reset, to come home, to recalibrate to a new frequency that matches your soul's true rhythm. This new moon brings through 4 core energies, and in this session, we'll be activating and attuning to each one. Take a moment to connect. Close your eyes. Soften your jaw. Let your shoulders gently drop. Allow your breath to lengthen and deepen. Inhaling slowly and exhaling fully. Feel yourself softening into this moment. Nothing to do. Nowhere to be. Just this. If you'd like, bring into your awareness any intentions you have for this new moon. They could be new intentions, or older ones you've carried through past moon cycles, or intentions seeded during the solstice. Let them rise gently in your heart now. There's no rush. Just breathe and allow. And as those intentions float gently into your awareness, the energy of the new moon begins to stream in now. Feel its soft light aligning with your soul's desires, assisting you in unseen, miraculous ways. Let go of needing to know how. Let go of needing to figure anything out, and simply receive. Receive this activation as you are. You are already enough. Activation 1. Soul level replenishment. Imagine now that your soul has been on a very long journey, not just in this life, but across time, lifetimes, and dimensions. Feel into that journey. There have been peaks of joy, beauty, and love, and there have been valleys of challenge, pain, and deep transformation. You've walked far. You've carried so much, and you've arrived here. Right now, this moment is a pause between what was and what is becoming. A place of rest, of reset, of renewal. The new moon offers you a space to breathe deeply and be nourished on all levels, physically, emotionally, energetically, and spiritually. Feel a wave of replenishing energy begin to wash through you, from the top of your head, gently down through your face, your neck, your shoulders. Your entire body begins to let go and receive. There is nothing to fix, nothing to strive for, only the deep permission to be and to rest. Allow your nervous system to soften now. Allow your heart to unclench. Allow your soul to sigh with relief. This is your sacred reset. This is your homecoming. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let this replenishment continue to unfold even beyond this session, through the entire moon cycle, as often as needed. Activation 2. DNA and light body integration. Now we move into the next layer of this activation. You have already been receiving powerful energy upgrades through light codes, synchronicities, dreams, emotional shifts, and even physical sensations. This new moon is now gently assisting you in integrating all that you've received so that you can carry it forward with ease, grace, and clarity. Feel the light of the moon streaming into your cells, illuminating your DNA, awakening dormant gifts and frequencies, activating your inner knowing and divine intelligence. If you're ready for new upgrades, just softly open your energy field now. Only what is aligned will come through. Only what you are ready to hold. Imagine your chakras, your meridians, your subtle bodies being attuned and aligned so that these new light codes are absorbed in the most harmonious way for you. You may feel warmth, tingling, a sense of spaciousness, or nothing at all. Just trust that it is happening in the ways you most need. Take a deep breath in and a long, grounding exhale out. You are safe. You are evolving, and it is unfolding with such love. Activation 3. Recalibration to a new timeline. As your system integrates these new frequencies, you are being gently recalibrated to a new timeline. This is not something you push toward, it's something you allow. You are no longer guided only from the mind, from top down. You are now guided from the body, the soul, the inner wisdom. Place your hands on your lower belly now, if that feels good. This is your sacral, your center of creation, intuition, and emotional truth. Ask gently, what emotions are here right now? Just listen. No need to analyze. Just presence. Now ask, what truth is rising within me? Allow your sacral to speak through feeling, through knowing. And now feel a stream of light rising from your sacral up to your mind, creating a sacred coherence. Body and mind, soul and self, working in harmony. You are stepping into a new way of being, one where your truth leads, and the universe supports your aligned expression. What does this new way of being feel like for you? Let it arise now as a vision, a word, or a sensation. Let it lock in gently and completely. Any resistance that remains is being washed away now, releasing through the breath, through the body, through the field. You are safe to expand. Activation 4. Nurturing presence as all blooms. And now we enter the final activation. The energy coming through is one of nurturing. The seeds you've planted in the past, or even just now, are rooted. They are alive, and they are blooming. There's no need to force their growth. All that's needed now is presence. Visualize yourself waking each day with gentleness, being present with the light through the window, the breath in your body, the small moments of joy and peace. In this presence, you magnetize your manifestations. In this joy, your path opens up. Imagine your intentions now blooming with ease and grace. Your garden flourishing because you are simply enjoying life. Feel yourself slowing down, savoring, nurturing your body, caring for your heart, letting the sweetness of life touch you. From this space, you are manifesting not by force, but by allowing. You are the fertile soil and the sacred gardener. You are the bloom and the becoming. And now, a final wave of new moon energy moves through you, activating all you've received in a way that's just right for you. Let yourself receive it fully. Closing and grounding, take a deep breath in. Exhale softly, sending your awareness down through the base of your spine, down into the earth, grounding, integrating, anchoring. Feel the support beneath you. The moon is now sending a gentle stream of energy down through your crown, your body, your roots, nourishing you, loving you, supporting you as you step into this new chapter. You are ready. You are whole. You are deeply loved. We seal this activation now in gratitude. And so it is. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes and return fully, carrying this new light within you. Thank you for sharing this sacred space. Wishing you a magical, aligned, and deeply replenishing new moon.